In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Wix website link step by step. Whether you're sharing your site on social media, in emails, or with friends, getting your website's URL is a straightforward process. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account, open your preferred web browser, and navigate to wix.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and enter your account credentials. If you don't remember your password, no worries. A quick password reset can solve that. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, you'll need to access the specific site whose link you want to copy. To do this, look for the My Sites option in the top menu. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the sites you've created on Wix. Select the website you're interested in by clicking on its thumbnail or title. Once you've selected your site, you'll be directed to the site's dashboard. Now, to locate your site's URL, focus on the dashboard's menu options. You're looking for something labeled Site Actions or Settings. Inside this menu, you'll typically find the site address or sometimes View Site. This is where your website's URL is displayed. It's important to double check that the address is correct, especially if you've made recent updates you want to share. Ready to copy your link? Click the View Site button to open your website in a new browser tab. Your site should load, and you'll see the full URL displayed in the browser's address bar at the top. Click on this address bar to highlight the URL entirely. Now you have two options: right-click and choose Copy from the drop-down menu, or for a quicker method, use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on Mac to copy the link. With the link copied to your clipboard, you can easily share it with others. Paste it wherever you need by using either right-click and selecting Paste, or using the shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on Mac. You can now share your site on social media platforms, add it to your email signature, or send it directly in a message to anyone you wish. That's it. You've successfully copied your Wix website link and are ready to share your site with the world. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.